welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a 372 XP chainsaw, Xtorq model, highly modified. We'll go over some of the features, and it will be disabled and sold for parts at the end of this video. It has the kill switch on the left, choke is on the right, operator presence lever, foot pad for starting high compression motors on the ground, foot in place, and you pull on the rope and you start these high compression motors. Works as a hand protector in case of a chain throwing incident. You see you have some protection here. Side load on the gas, oil reservoir, grab handlebars, working chain brake, new 24-inch bar and chain, Husqvarna, sprocket nose, .050 gauge, chisel bit, square tooth, and a skip sequence, spacing between the teeth. Falling spikes, dual ported, porting on top as well as on the side. Has a ding out of the clutch cover, doesn't hurt the part at all. Just a lot of great parts here. If you're interested in these high performance saws and want to know how they're put together, here's one that's being sold for parts. And I will disable it before it is sold.